the shoulder width stance, dumbbell, sumo squat. Most people take an extremely wide stance and turn this into a mobility exercise. That's not what we're doing. By bringing the feet to roughly shoulder width while keeping the toes slightly turned out, you create a powerful combination of quad, glute, and adductor recruitment. Step leg, dumbbell, Romanian deadlift. This is where real posterior chain development begins. By stepping one leg slightly behind the other, you shift more tension onto the working glute and hamstring while improving stability. The result? A deeper stretch, greater muscle recruitment, and less opportunity to cheat with momentum.